welcome back to the channel. Had a ride to Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria today, and we're actually called in to see the importer and main dealer of Royal Enfield in Bulgaria. Just in their showroom. Very, very smart. New 450 is here. What else we got in here? Yeah, they've got Super Meter 650. Shotgun 650. That's very nice. Oh, quite like that. Aha. An Interceptor. Bit of a soft spot for these at the moment. Meteor 350. It's quite surprising how big the new 350 engine looks compared to the 500. It's very similar size. We've got the Scram 411. Continental GT. Very classically looking, that is. Beautiful. The new Bullet 350. Now I really like this. Beautiful looking bike. Absolutely. And like I say, they've got the new Hemi 452 in. I've had a sit on it. I think we're going to hopefully try and sort out some, when they get the new bikes in now, they're going to contact me, get me down here so I can be first to see them and hopefully first to ride them. Got all the nice Royal Enfield helmets here. Quite like this as well. Clothing. The wife's already relieved him of a shirt this morning. Now, what I do like about this place, this is what I call a proper workshop. Got 500 Classic here, they're servicing for the customer. Beautiful looking bike, absolutely. Yeah, he's just unpacking a Super Meteor 650, brand new, and just arrived. They're going to unpack that. Looks apart that. This one comes with a touring seat fitted backrest.
I do like the look of the seat.
Yeah, Sue's already.
Vast improvement on the Interceptor.
Sue's already eyeing up the seat on it. Lovely looking thing. Yeah. Yeah. This is the part that I like. The workshop. Very nice. Yeah. Turns out they actually do some work for customers on the old pre-unit 500, which is interesting. But yeah, very good people. Very good place. It's becoming that busy for them. They're thinking of having to find a bigger place, possibly extend it, because they're getting the new models in. The new Gorilla will be coming out September, and they say they should have 2 or 3 in here, depending on availability. But I've just seen all the jackets. As long as wife's not too close. Oh, she is. She's behind me. Yeah. Some very nice jackets. Some very nice jackets. Yeah. I've got a thing about jackets for some reason. Jackets and boots. Got that many. Anyway, we only called him quick for a cup of coffee, and I think it's done us a bit of good and good for the channel. Good communications with the dealership now, and let's hope it goes well for us, and a few more rides on the new models. We'll see how we get on anyway. Anyway, it's only a fleeting visit. Heck, I can't stop looking at this 350 Bullet. Very nice. Anyway, we'll have to go because we've got further places to go. So please subscribe, big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video again then. Cheers.